It's very surreal. I brought my childhood best friend of going on 15 years, and my friend that I got us banned from playing the games as kids because we were too obsessed with it, and so we would spend all night at sleepovers, under the covers, playing the games and sneaking it. It's very surreal to be here and to be staring at these animatronics in the face, and also to be a part of this film that I was opening weekend set in the theater with all the merch on. So it's very weird. It's right behind me, isn't he? It's pretty bonkers. And then also the cast that we have voicing them. The fact that we have Matt Fat voicing Toy Bonnie, to me, is very... Yeah, that warms my heart. It's very crazy to be able to have these. I feel like usually on a set like this, you're working with tennis balls or something like that, or something that's unfinished, or you kind of have to use your own imagination. But this is so cool, getting to have the actual animatronics and people inside puppeteering them every day, and getting to look that square in the face is terrifying. Every director that I've gotten to work with has been fantastic and wonderful in their own way, but I haven't been able to work with a lot of female directors, and being a girl, it is really cool to get to see somebody like that leading a set, and especially a horror film and franchise nonetheless like this. It's very special for me to get to see that as a young actress that aspires to be a director someday, but also Emma's just wonderful and really knows what she's talking about and cares about the franchise and the fans and the horror of it all, and it's very beautiful getting to work with her.